Hey everyone, we're on to day 5 with the Southern Skeins hand-dyed advent. It is vintage lane. Here we go. We're on to day 5. So, yep, let's just get to the yarn. And then I will show you all of them up till now. This is actually very pretty. So, cross out my base and hopefully it'll come in. There you go. That's very pretty. Purples and whites. So we have day 1. We have day 2. We have day 3. We have day 4. And we have day 5. So there we go. That's what we've got so far. Definitely going to put these apart in the project. So that's what we've got so far. Not bad. I will say they are super squishy and they are DK weight yarn. So can't wait to see what else is coming up. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning.